Welcome to my channel. Tenda router login for beginners, quick setup guide. 1. Power on the router. Plug in your Tenda router and turn it on. Wait until the lights become stable. 2. Connect to the router. Connect your device, mobile or computer, to the Tenda Wi-Fi or use an Ethernet cable. 3. Open a web browser. Open Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser on your device. 4. Enter login address. In the address bar, type 192.168.0.1 or tendawifi.com and press enter. 5. Access login page. The Tenda router login page will open automatically. 6. Set login password. Create a new admin password when prompted. Some models don't need a default password. 7. Choose internet type. Select your internet connection type, PPPoE, dynamic IP, or static IP. 8. Enter ISP details. If required, enter your ISP username and password provided by your internet provider. 9. Set Wi-Fi name and password. Create a Wi-Fi name, SSID, and a strong Wi-Fi password. 10. Save and finish setup. Click Save, apply and wait for the router to reboot. Your Tenda router is ready to use. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.